The information in the $5 Start Line series is for educational purposes only. It is not legal, financial, or investment advice. Always consult a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Hey everyone, welcome to the $5 Investor. If money has ever felt like a club you weren't invited to, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a step, because we are doing this together. Today, I'm kicking off a brand new series called the $5 Start Line. Here's the promise. This series shows everyday women how to start growing their money with one thing: $5. No big bank account, no corporate suit, no confusing jargon, just real, doable steps, one $5 bill at a time. Let me take you back. Years ago, I was working a regular, everyday job. On my feet, putting in the hours. I didn't have thousands to put into the market. I didn't even have 100. But what I did have, after one of my paychecks, was a single $5 bill. Just $5. I didn't wait until I was rich to start. I used that exact $5 to cross my own start line, because the action of starting was worth more than the dollar amount itself. So let's break down the baseline. When you only have $5, you don't panic. You do one thing: open a micro-investing app that lets you buy fractional shares. That just means buying a tiny slice of a bigger company instead of the whole expensive piece. $5 gets you in. Then you do the move that changes everything. You automate it. You set it up so that same $5 moves into your account every single week automatically, before you can spend it. That's the start line. You treat that $5 like a seed, and you let it get planted on repeat. So get comfortable, kick your shoes off, and know you just took the first real step. In episode 2, I'm showing you exactly where that first $5 should go. I'll see you at the next start line.